Well, these days, most of us have a computer or maybe even 2 or 3 at home. But what do you do when they are broken? We've spent the last 3 months checking out repair services, and Chris Katz has the results.
You know, we put so much stuff in our computers, it can be frustrating when they just don't work. So where do you go to get it repaired? You might think the best place is where you bought it, but then again, maybe not.
How you doing? Drop off for service.
Armed with a hidden camera and microphone, we took a laptop computer to 3 major electronics stores to see what they would find. But first, we took it to our own expert, KMBC 9 computer tech supervisor Hank Palmer, and asked him to do something to the computer, something simple, so it wouldn't work.
The only thing I did was I went to the BIOS to set up and say disable the hard drive. It's one keystroke in there. And that's something anybody should be able to look, make sure it's working.
He disabled the hard drive BIOS. Basically, he turned the thing off. And he says it's something that any technician should find with a routine check.
These have built-in diagnostics, and that's one of the places you'd go in to test it.
We dropped off our computer at 3 different electronic stores: Circuit City, Best Buy, and Micro Center. All of them charge diagnostic fees just to look at the machine, ranging from $60 to $70, which we paid. And after a few days, we went back to see what they found. First to Circuit City.
They said it either needs the hard drive to be restored or a new hard drive.
It'd be $129.99 for a restore.
And then through you guys?
That's not including the hard drive.
A 160 gig hard drive would add almost $100 to the bill. Then on to Best Buy.
Yeah, all it says on here is that I guess they couldn't do anything with it here. Probably means that it's a motherboard issue.
They told us they couldn't fix it, that we would have to ship it to IBM, and if it was a motherboard, it would be expensive. But since they couldn't be sure of the problem, they did refund our $59 diagnostic fee. The news from Micro Center came by phone.
It's actually the part on a laptop that goes in and attaches to the motherboard that's bad. Also, the hard drive is bad. To ship it out and get it fixed, flat rate at $275.
So add a $275 service fee to the diagnostic fee.
So out of all 3 of them, who was able to fix it?
No one. No one fixed it.
In case you were wondering how long it would take our technician to fix the problem, we went back to Hank and asked him to make the machine run again.
Okay, we're going to reboot.
We timed him at 71 seconds.
See? Not easy.
Of course, our Hank Palmer knew what was wrong, yet a simple test taking just a couple of minutes would have told another tech the same thing. So how do you know who to trust? Here are 3 things from the Missouri Attorney General's office. First, do some research. Ask friends or family where they take their computers for repair and if they were happy with the job. Second, get written estimates, maybe 3, especially if that first estimate is high. And last, agree on the work and the cost first. There are also websites featuring repair shop reviews and troubleshooting you can do before taking it to a shop. They're on our website right now at KMBC.com. Back to you.
All right, Chris, thank you. Now, we contacted the 3 stores about our findings. A spokesman for Best Buy told us it is their typical process to refund the diagnosis fee if they can't find the problem. Micro Center says they can't do all repairs in-house, and if they have to outsource repairs, that company's fee is $275. And Circuit City told us they determined a technician did not follow procedures and they were taking steps to respond.